What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you something that really pisses me. Alright, guys. This motherfucking brown motherfucker, hiccup, little faggot, actually stole my hot girlfriend, Ashley. And this motherfucker brainwashed her for telling her stuff that weren't true. And eventually, she said that I was looking at hot girls in Hollywood. But, hey, that's not me, and I wasn't doing that in Hollywood. Because when I was in Hollywood, I wasn't looking at girls, and she thinks I was. And this faggot got married with her. Yeah, and this is supposed to be my child. She's supposed to be my kids. And I'll show you my. Okay, guys. Right here, that pisses me off. Right there, fucking pisses me off. I don't like why he's kissing her. No, that's my girl. That brown motherfucking hair, dude. Hiccup. Actually stole the girl in my dream. I will fucking polarize him. Cut his head off. And hang it by the wall. And yes, these kids are my kids. And look at that dude. He looks like me anyway. He does not look like Hiccup. This kid looks like me. And my wife looks like her anyway. And my kid does not look like Hiccup at all. This kid looks like me. Because he has the same face. But he has a different color in it. Because his eyes are green. Ah, this, it doesn't make. I will destroy this motherfucking faggot. Because this motherfucker took everything. He stole my girl. He thinks he's the father, but he's not. And now my kids don't know me anyway. This motherfucker took my girl away from me. And now my kids don't remember who I am now. This motherfucker took my child. And now his child knows him and they don't know me. What kind of fucking friend is that? I would never talk to this motherfucker. He's a friend enemy. And I gotta go, guys. It's like 10:28, so please subscribe, put a like. Thank you.